What's up everybody? I want to give you guys a quick little review on my aquarium pump. So it's got the power button here. You can lessen it or add it up. So it's got these little ports here that you hook up. Right there where you can hook another one up because that air is flowing just freely there. But it's good size. This thing is nice and quiet. I like how quiet it is. So we'll go down here when it's running in. You can see the fish are loving it. You can see the bubbles back here pumping through really good. So it's creating plenty of oxygen in the tank. So it's pretty great, and I love just the size of it. Ain't bad, built good. Like I say, super quiet. The other ones that you're hearing is back here, but this thing here, it's got, let's see, got a decent little weight to it. So if I go up underneath, there's the bottom of it. It does got like little cushions that it can sit on if we had like a little place, but it's got 4 little soft cushions on it. But yep, so there's that. I'm impressed with it. It's working great. Go back in here so you guys can see it. There you go. There's my little review. Aquarium pump. Hope that helped you guys out, and I appreciate you watching the video.